Hi everyone, today's first topic is how to activate the option of GST. From Gateway of Tally, press F11 to open features. Now go to Statutory and Taxation or press F3. Enable Goods and Services Tax, GST, set it to Yes. Set Alter GST Details, set it to Yes. Now, the GST Details screen displays. Set details such as state, registration type, applicable from, and GST number. Enable GST classification, set it to Yes. Accept the screen. Type the PAN number. Accept the screen. Our second topic is how to create purchase ledger under GST. From Gateway of Tally, go to Accounts Info. Now go to Ledgers. Select Create under Single Ledger. In the name option write purchase @5%. Percent will change according to rate of GST applicable on products. In under option, select Purchase Accounts. It is asking, is GST applicable? Select Applicable. Then, set Alter GST Details, set to Yes. In New Screen, select Purchase Taxable under the option Nature of Transaction. In Integrated Tax Rate write 5%. Select Type of Supply, whether it is goods or service. Press Enter and accept the screen. Our third topic is how to create sales ledger under GST. Open ledger creation page which we did in previous topic. Write sales @5% in name option. In under option select sales account. Everything will be same as the previous topic except one thing, which is, in the nature of transaction select sales taxable. At the end don't forget to accept the screen. Our fourth topic is a short overview of the types of GST. There are 3 types of GST. The first one is state GST, and the second is central GST. If GST rate is 5%, then 2.5% will be taxable as SGST, and rest of 2.5% will be taxable as CGST. SGST and CGST is only applicable when a business transaction happens within the state. The third part of GST is called Integrated GST. IGST is applicable when a business transactions occurs between 2 different states. If GST rate is 5%, then IGST will also be 5%. Going forward to fifth topic, what is input and output GST? GST paid at the time of the purchase of goods is called input GST. When you collect the GST during the sale, which is called output GST. Our next topic is how to create input CGST ledger. From Gateway of Tally, go to Accounts Info. Now go to Ledgers. Under Single Ledger, go to Create. In Name, write Input CGST @2.5%. In under Option, select Duties and Taxes. Type of duty tax, select GST. Then Tax Type Central. In percentage, give 2.5%. Press Enter and accept the screen. Moving ahead to next topic, how to create input SGST ledger. In Name option, write Input SGST @2.5%. Rest of things will be similar to previous topic, except one thing, in tax type select state tax. Today's last topic is how to create input IGST ledger. In Name, write Input IGST @5%. In tax type select Integrated Tax. In percentage type 5%. Press Enter, then at the end, accept the screen to save. Similarly, create ledgers for output CGST, output SGST, and output IGST.